Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Confirm your Windows edition and the Windows Media Player build so you know which codec binaries you need. Once done, open Media Info and inspect the file container and exact codec names for audio and video. This tells you what to install. Make sure to back up irreplaceable media and create a system restore point before you add codecs or filters, because drivers and codecs modify system codecs and can affect playback system-wide. Now you install the required codec support. Pick a reputable codec pack and select the edition that matches your needs. Standard for typical use, Mega for advanced formats. Once installed, use the codec pack control panel to prioritize direct show decoders and set preferred decoders for problematic formats. If Media Info showed a specific missing codec, add that module or filter manually. Make sure to close Windows Media Player before changing codec configuration, and reboot after installation so the codecs register properly. Finish by resetting Windows Media Player's library and preferences to clear corrupt entries. If errors remain, reinstall the WMP feature from Windows Features. Then test the same file. If it plays in VLC or MPCHC, the issue is WMP specific. If not, the codec or file is bad. If you still get errors, run the Windows Playback Troubleshooter and inspect Device Manager for driver or filter conflicts. One key tip: if playback fails after codec installs, uninstall the new pack and restore the system point you made earlier, then try a different codec set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.